how to change order of clips in CapCut. So in this video, I'll show you step by step. So now, as you can see now, I have different clips on my timeline. So let's say now I want to add this clip as a background to my video. And here's now my main footage. Here is my main footage. So all I have to do now, I'll just drag this one to the center of the main footage. And then I'll just drag the main footage to above. So if I take the remain footage, as you can see now, the video or the background that I want to add as a background, the clip that I want to add as a background, it will automatically adjust to the size to the place where I take the main footage. So from there, I can just go ahead now and stretch it. You can just go ahead now and choose the above one to above the main clip. And then from there, now you add this clip as a main background to your video, and now you adjust this clip for you. Same thing, you can do it as like if you want to use it on the sound side. Let's say this music, I want to change the position of this one, so I'll take it to this side and drag this one to below and take this one to the main size of the one that I just take. So that's it, guys, on how to use it. Just drag and drop. That's how you can just change the order of your clips, and that's it, guys.